Rob Frazier here. Wanted to excuse me, answer this question that someone left me underneath one of my videos, but also wanted to share 3 simple affiliate marketing strategies. Now, every single other affiliate or every single thing that is in the affiliate marketing world, that includes network marketing, revolves around these 3 modalities of marketing, if you will. And I summed it up into 3: clicks, contacts, and content. This video is a part of my content. Blogs are a part of my content. Writing posts on social media is content. Clicks is basically buying traffic. Very simple there. Buying advertising. Right now I'm doing advertising. I'm still doing solo ads. I'm doing media buys. I'm buying Bing pay-per-click now, and a few things like that. As well as my content, I have enough out there that it's starting to bring me a steady amount of clicks. And lastly is contacts. Contacts is very simple. It's just making connections on and offline. That includes social media. So all of that being said, there was someone who said they used to do content marketing, but what happens is it's slow. And I'm trying to fight the cat from getting on my lap here. So, cat's, I don't know if you can see it. Anyways, after having an epileptic seizure from watching that, you can watch the rest of this video now. A lot of folks were talking about, some people are afraid of doing YouTube videos and some people don't want to do blogs because it takes too long. And the downside of content marketing, yes, it does take a lot of time. It's free, but it's going to cost you a lot of time. And also you run the risk of nobody ever seeing your stuff, and there's a lot of competition. I mean, that's just how it works. But what I do is I combine my content marketing with my paid traffic. So what that means is when I buy traffic, people get on my email list. And those people I email my content to. I email them my podcasts, I email them my blogs, and I email them my YouTube videos. Those are people who wouldn't have otherwise seen my content had I not emailed it to them. So because of doing that, I get more traffic to my podcasts, my blogs, my videos, and that also allows me to nurture my leads, to show them I'm a real person, I'm here to support them, and that they can feel confident in joining me in any one of my affiliated programs. So it kind of, in the past I heard other marketers call it like a triangle of trust and some little cheesy things like that. But basically it's just another way to show your people that you are serious and it's okay to spend money with you. And also, if you hear water going on in the background, got all sorts of stuff. We're filling up the pool here with the well water. The cat just took my seat. But those are the main things. And also a lot of the advanced affiliate marketing strategies stem from those 3. Joint ventures, getting other affiliates to work with you to promote your stuff. You know, that all comes from contacts, making connections. I mean, at the end of the day, this is a people business. And if you want more information about those 3 things, because I know I did a very short video here, underneath this video is going to be a link to my blog where I actually cover it a bit more in depth and in detail, talking about the 3 different strategies, and also if you're interested in partnering with me, getting to know me, working with me, and doing something together. So that being said, that link to that blog post will be below this video. Wrapping this up for now, and just remember, clicks, content, and contacts. Everything else revolves around those 3 things. We'll see you in the next video.